Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about factors of a whole number. Our essential question is, how can I figure out the factors of a whole number? Before we begin, let's go ahead and talk about what a factor is. A factor is a number that divides another number evenly. That means it can break it apart into equal parts with no leftovers. Today I'm going to show you two different ways of figuring out the factors of a number. The first one is by looking at the groups that we can make with the numbers. So we're going to start looking at the factors of 9, and we're going to work up until we get all the way up to 9. We're going to start with number 1, and we're just going to make one group. I need to see if I can evenly divide 9 items into one group. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I can put 9 things into one group with no leftovers. So 1 is a factor of 9. Now I'm going to try 2 groups. 1, 2. I'm going to break 9 into those groups now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I come back here, I know I won't have one over here, so I have 1 left over. So 2 is not a factor of 9. I'm now going to try 3. 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to break 9 into each of those groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the 9 items go right into the circles correctly. So 3 is a factor of 9. Let's try 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I only have 1 left, which means these will not be equal groups. So I cannot use 4 as a factor. Let's try 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 will not let me make equal groups either. I have 4 leftovers on this one. So 5 is definitely not a factor of 9. We're going to keep working until we get to the number 9. So now I'm at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 7, 8, 9 will not let me have equal groups. So I have 3 leftovers. 6 is not a factor of 9. For 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will not let me have equal groups. So 7 is not a factor of 9. 2 more to go. For 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to divide my 9s into them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I go here, I will not have equal groups. So I have a leftover. That means it is not a factor of 9. Our final one we're going to try is 9. You always can stop when you get to the number you're working on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly. That means 9 is a factor. So if I look back, I know that 1, 3, and 9 are factors of 9. So this is one way, one method you can use to figure out the factors of a number. Let's look at another way. On this other way, we are going to begin skip counting by the number we're looking at. And we're trying to get up to the number 9 exactly. So let's start by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I land on 9 exactly. So 1 is a factor of 9. Let's try 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, I need to stop. 10 is too high. 8 is too low. I cannot land on 9. So 9 is not, or 2 is not a factor of 9. Let's try 3s. 3, 6, 9. There it is. I landed right on it, so 3 is a factor. 4s. 4, 8, 12. Ooh, I need to stop. 12 is too high. 8 is too low. I cannot land on 9, so 4 is not a factor. Let's look at 5s. 5, 10. Oop, I have to stop right there. 10's too high. 5's too low. I can't land on it. Not a factor. 6s. 6, 12. Gotta stop again. I cannot land on 9 by counting by 6s, so 6 is not a factor. 7, 14. Nope, this one doesn't work either. There is no 9 when I'm counting by 7s, so it is not a factor. 8, 16. I need to stop. 16's too high. 8's too low again. Not a factor. Let's try counting by 9s. 9. I can stop right there. 9 is 9. It is a factor of 9. So if I sum this up, we can say that the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So these are two different ways of finding factors of numbers. We are only focusing on whole numbers at this point. On the back of your page, there is a sample problem for you to try. So if you turn your paper over, you will see the practice problem. I need you to find the factors of 12. Be sure to show your work using the two ways we learned in our lesson. I provided a space for both those ways, so fill it out on the first way and then also on the second way. If you forget which way is which, just flip your paper back over. You have your first way using the circles and your second way using skip counting. Be sure to use both of those ways to prove your answer and tell us what the factors of 12 are. Have a good day.